Hey guys, this is Mike with Off Leash Canine Training, Long Island. I'm here with Titan. Titan is an 8-month-old Doberman. Titan comes to us because he is constantly pulling his owners down the street whenever they go for walks. He likes to jump on everybody, he likes to jump on furniture, and really he's just got a lot of puppyish behaviors. So we're going to work with Titan over the next 2 weeks. I want to take a second now to show you what Titan knows, that way you can see how much he's improved. Titan, come. Good boy. Come. Good. Titan, sit. Sit. Titan, sit. Titan, sit. Sit. Titan, sit. Sit. Titan, sit. 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 Good. Sit. Good boy. Titan down. 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 Titan down. Titan down. Down. Titan down. Down. Titan. So as you can see, Titan is very much a puppy. He's really not familiar with any of his commands. He may be familiar with sit, but he really only does it on his terms. So stay tuned for his progress in just 2 weeks. Good boy, buddy. Good. Titan, break. Good boy. Titan, come. Good boy. That's a good boy. Good job, buddy. That's a good boy. Titan, come. Good boy. Good job, buddy. That's a good boy. Good job. Titan, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Down. Good. Titan, break! Good boy! Good job, buddy! Heel. 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 Titan, Titan. Good boy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Hey, quick! Good boy. That's a good boy. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. Good job. Down. Down, good boy. Down, good boy. Tighten, break. Good boy. Good job, buddy. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, that's a good boy. Yes, good boy. Good job, buddy. That's a good boy. Yes, yes, yes. That's a good boy. Good job. Good boy. Good job, buddy. That's it. Good. Down. Down. Good. Tighten, break. Good boy. That's a good boy. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. That's a good boy. That's a good. Good boy. Good job. Tighten, sit. How you doing? Tighten, load up. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy, buddy. Good job. Good job, good job, good job. Tighten. Tighten, freak. Tighten, freak. Good boy. That's a good boy. Unless you have the remote in your hand. I mean, this is how I do with my dog. At night, they're lying around. I can walk up to them. If I'm in the middle of training them, I don't pet them unless they do something. Good boy, good job, good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy. That's what you want. Yeah. So whenever you're ready, you're going to say his name, H-E-E-L, and step off with your left leg. You do not push the button the first time you say it. As long as he follows with you, you don't push the button.
Higher, heel.
You didn't say his name, you cheated him. You cheated him and he still did it.
Get used to it.
It takes practice. Now walk away.
Down.
I'll walk down.
Heel. Heel. Hi, my name is Alex. This is Titan. He's 8 months old Doberman. We brought him to Mike to teach him, to be more obedient because he wasn't obedient at all. He was doing whatever he wanted to do in the house. So after 2 weeks, there is a huge difference. We actually can see he's following all the commands. He is listening. He is doing what he asked him to do. He is totally different dog. So we're very happy and thank you very much.
Thank you.